Here we have a Breville Oracle. The portafilter actually wasn't fitting into the brew group, the group head. That was just a diffuser screen that had shifted over time and cracked. So we replaced that. And then while we were diagnosing the machine, we also found that it wasn't properly running shots, and we tested the solenoid valve, and that went out. So we replaced the solenoid valve as well, cleaned her up, and now she's running like a charm. Let's see. And there's the pressure, and there's the coffee. Beautiful, look at that. Good crema. It might not be enough coffee, which is why it's coming out so fast, but there is good crema, really consistent flow. And there you have it. Thank you for sending in this unit. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.